Hey guys, it is Spanky and welcome back to the corner. I am going to do a quick video doing the announcement of the winner of the postcards that I did, and I decided to give both of them away. You'll see that in the video. And basically I'm going to use a website called YouTube Random Generator comment thing. It's a comment picker, it picks from the comments. So how this works is you copy your URL and you post it into the spot right here on this, and then you'll click the yellow button on the right. It's like a search button, so you'll click on that and it will generate however many comments you have. So I had 14 comments, so then I'm going to come down here on the next step is you hit the start button and it will fish through all the ones who have commented. And our first winner is Clara Anderson. So congratulations, Clara. I will be getting you that postcard out to you shortly. And the next one I decided here to go ahead and give out the second one. Excuse me. So the second winner is going to be, let's see who the lucky winner is. And there we go. And let's see who our next winner is. Joie! Oh, that's awesome, Joie. Aw. Alrighty, so congratulations, ladies, and I will get these into the post to you shortly. So I will see you all in the next video. Love ya. Bye.